pagmamalaki namin sa buong AutoHub Group na ang iFern ay aming partner.
Sarap ang pag-usapan ng pangarap is nga pag sineryoso mo si iFern, grabe, life will never be the same.
Remember, we are all born a winner, and winners never quit because we are champions!
We are the only product na merong apple stem cell. Alam niyo naman po yung apple stem cell, right? Yung nagpapabata talaga. Specifically for the skin. And we also have the starflower oil, the most expensive oil na nasa serum natin ngayon. And we are really proud to have that in all our products.
So ang masasabi ko lang po, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Kung nagawa ng isang janitor, magagawa rin po ninyo. To God be all the glory!
Mga mahal kong ka-iFern Milya, binabati ko kayo. We wouldn't be here if not for you. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang iFern Nation! Since 2016, pinagmamalaki natin yung World Branding Awards ng FernC. Now, FernB! World Branding Forum Brand of the Year! Starting Monday, only FernD 60s. Lahat ng matitira, mayaman! Lahat ng naniwala, lahat ng kumapit, magiging milyonaryo! iFern ako!